The mortgage growth equation. Those of you that know me, you know I like to keep things really simple. And I'm going to share with you 3 components for you expanding your business. And it's really simple, and some of you are going to dismiss it because of the simplicity of it. But here's the deal. When you understand these 3 components and you change the normal question that we ask, which is how do I get business, you'll find that you can get your reach so much further out there. The way we do that is we understand these 3 components. The first component is, in this, what I call the success equation, is people who know you. So are you deliberately, intentionally, every single day meeting more people, expanding your reach, just having conversations? It doesn't have to be business conversations, but it starts just by befriending or just engaging with more people. And if you do that every single day intentionally, you'll see that your network grows. Then from there, we move on to people who know what you do. So in your conversations, invoke the law of reciprocity. Ask people what they do, and then they will start thinking about you. They will start asking you. The law of reciprocity is that they'll ask you what it is that you do for a living, and you can't give that information in a dismissive way. You have to say, I am a mortgage expert, and I specialize in, and then you decide what you're going to talk about. So it could be, I'm a mortgage expert. I specialize in saving buyers and existing homeowners mortgage on their monthly payment regarding their housing. You can massage this however you want, but position yourself as an expert. It becomes more memorable. And now they also understand what you do for a living, which really leads to number 3. And number 3 is people who know what you do for a living, and then they think of you when either they need service or they need mortgage financing or they need someone to refer their friends or family to. And again, that could be a referral partner, that could be just anyone in your sphere. And the way you do that is you put the final piece and just say, I'm not asking if you need a mortgage, but if you ever have any questions, I can always be happy, and I always will be happy to give you the answers so you can make whatever decisions with the most amount of knowledge. This is just such a simple strategy because when you put these 3 pieces together, that is what really creates your success. And what I want you to understand is when you maximize each factor in this multiplication equation, your business will grow exponentially. And that's exactly what we want to happen for you. So let me just give you the question. The question is really simple. How do I get more people to know exactly what I do and automatically think of me the moment they or anyone they care about needs mortgage help? Now, I understand that that is a big question, but the truth of the matter, it's a very simple question because I put all the pieces together. So when you answer that question, you are building your network in the right way, and people are identifying you and remembering you for what is most important to you in this context, which is becoming their trusted advisor, their trusted referral partner or referral resource for anyone who needs mortgage financing. Hope this tip helps. We'll see you next week.